This will be a reading for the sign of Cancer for the month of July. All that I need to know from now until the 15th of July. So, what are you guys going through? Let's take three cards for you and then we move to your person. So, your overall energy for the month of July. The Tower card, I definitely see you guys having a fallout. If it's not a fallout, then I mean, there's a lot of transition happening in your life. You are forced to move out of a situation or a place or a workplace that you did not have intentions of, moving out or stepping out of. Okay, I still see you having feelings for this connection or this situation. You still feel in a certain way about it, even if the practical truth is that things are not good between the two of you. I still see you not wanting to completely quit even if you're forced to get out. Okay, one more card in terms of what's going to be the challenge for the month of July for Cancer. The challenge for the month of July for Cancer. With judgment card, challenge could be to make a decision to whether to stay or leave. You guys have learned a lot. You have gone through in like enough lessons, enough transitions, in enough situations of being a part of the connection or whatever you are being a part of right now. With the Eight of Cups, I think many of you guys were very much focused on walking away or moving on, but could not. Okay, for whatever reason. With Emperor card right now, you might not be giving into the situation right now or not being emotionally invested, but I don't see you completely quitting, but you are not giving in for sure. Okay, in terms of what needs to change, in terms of what needs to change for Cancer. Okay. With Queen of Pentacles, darling, I believe you are focused on a situation which might not be for your, like a better good. Like you are focused on someone who isn't treating you the same way. You are giving to someone who isn't giving anything back in return. Okay, you need to set your priorities right. Okay, you need to change your outlook towards the situation. You can't be giving and focus and nurturing a situation that is draining you from the other side. Okay, one more card in terms of what's coming your way for Cancer. What do you see coming your way? With Four of Swords, to be very honest, I do not see much coming your way. I see this being a time for you to heal, hold back, fix yourself, and get back yourself together. Okay. Top card we have is Queen of Swords. I see a very silent next couple of weeks for you. I don't see a lot of action being there. Okay. With Queen of Pentacles being the card that you need to change, I believe you need to stop caring for situation that is not going anywhere, to be very honest. I know it may sound cold, but darling, you need to think about it. Okay, you're possibly caring and giving to a situation which not necessarily deserves your care. Okay, one more card in terms of your partner or your relationship. One card for your overall situation. Three of Wands. In terms of your overall situation, I believe you guys are at a distance for sure. I don't see you guys living together or staying together. With Nine of Swords, this connection has been going on for a while and it has been on and off. Okay, trust me on that. For selected few of you, there may be a third party situation as well. Okay, top card we have is the World in the Reverse, which speaks about distance 1A. B, I think it's still unfinished. The chapter or the cycle you're part of is still unfinished. It isn't over. Okay, in terms of your partner, one card for their energy. Like, what's their overall energy going to be like? Cancer soulmate. Their energy is Wheel of Fortune, so I do see them in some which way making slow forward movements towards you. Okay, with Page of Wands, there could be communication coming in for some of you. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune, this person doesn't have a very stable way of looking at the situation. Sometimes they are in and sometimes they are out. I don't think they have been stable in this connection. Also about their feelings, sometimes they feel strongly and sometimes they are like, I don't know if this is even love. Okay, one card for how do they think about you now? How do they possibly think about Cancer? Okay. With the death card here, I definitely feel like for many of you, They look at the situation as something that needs major change. Okay, it doesn't mean ending. Okay, don't take it wrong. They look at the situation as something that needs major transition, major change. In terms of their intentions towards you, in terms of intention with two of cups, I believe some of them are still wanting to be a part of you, regardless if it's going somewhere or not, if they have been giving in or not, if they have been silent or not. I still see them wanting to end up with you. And if you're a cross watcher, you might possibly agree to it or disagree to it, but I see, if you have a person who you guys were on good terms with and things broke off for whatever reason, I still see this person having interest towards you, darling. Okay, in terms of what action do they want to take towards you, in terms of what action they want to take towards you, in terms of action, to be honest, with five of swords, they might try wrong methods to get your attention, like trigger you or possibly get you jealous, still play the mind games with you. Okay, one card for their intention behind this. Why are they doing this? They're possibly trying hard to get. Okay, with Knight of Pentacles, things have been stagnant, and they are not wanting to be the first one to reach first. Okay, reach out first. Sorry, with Hermit card and Seven of Swords, you guys are both running away from each other. To be honest, you've been silent and they've been silent, but you've been silent because they haven't treated you right. They've been silent for, I do not know, for their own reasons, I believe. Okay, in terms of what is blocking the connection, in terms of what is majorly blocking the connection. Blocking the connection, I believe, is I do not know who exactly. I won't want to blame, but with Knight of Wands, one of you was a player. They were in and out emotionally, not invested. Okay, one more card. Second card we have is someone wanted to stay independent, someone wanted to focus on their finances, someone wanted to live their life, be a part of a connection, but not like possibly look forward towards the future. Okay, someone was way too careless with the situation. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, Cancer, like what are their honest feelings towards you? For some of you, there might be some financial differences where one of you is possibly doing really well and the other isn't. Okay, in terms of emotions, trust me on this, they still have feelings for you. Even if they've been behaving like a player and not wanting to commit, I still see them having feelings for you, but still wanting to run away from those feelings, still wanting to not face those feelings. Okay, one card for their heart space. How do they truly feel for you? Yeah, with Knight of Swords, they honestly do wanna, possibly reach out or make some sort of contact towards you. Okay, they really miss you, to be honest. One card for their hate space. In terms of their hate space, they cannot let go of you. They are still very much tied to you in whatever capacity. I still see them being addicted to you, being obsessed with you. Okay, they cannot free themselves from you. They could have tried with Eight of Cups being the past card, but I don't see them being able to let go of you. Okay, in terms of like what do they really want with you now? What does this person really want with Cancer? To be honest, with Eight of Pentacles, they do want to fix the connection. They do want to get back with you. I do not want to promise you commitment, however, but yes, they want to get back on the same page as you. They don't want to fight. They don't want to argue. They don't want to have any grudge or something, or any sort of, you know, unnecessary drama. I mean, they want to get back. Okay, in terms of from your side, like what does this person believes was blocking this connection? With the world in the reverse, I believe for Cancer, they believe that there was either distance that got in the way. If it's not distance, to be honest, I believe something in your life has like wasn't ended completely. Like you are not ready for a complete honest relationship or a long term connection. Something in your life had to end. It's either a relationship, or you need to come to terms with your job, your workplace, or you had to shift. You had to do something to get to them, and were not ready to do that, I believe. Okay, in terms of like what's blocking them from coming towards you. With Queen of Wands, they haven't been taking action. Okay, they've been all words, all drama, but no action. Top card we have is Hanged Man. That clarifies the situation, that they have been rather watching from a distance, being a a spectator to the situation than participating in the connection. Okay, one card for where do we see this going? Where do we see this connection going from now until the 15th of this month? Where do we honestly see this connection going? With Four of Pentacles, to be very honest, I see communication coming in, but don't expect too much, because I still see this person. Honestly, I still see this person taking a lot of time to reach out. Right now, they are stalking you. They are clearly stalking you. They are still wanting to see if you will. Okay, are they still wanting to be a part of this? Absolutely yes. Are they still wanting this to get someplace? Yes. Okay. Are they completely ready for a commitment? I'd say no. But are they wanting to be a part of the connection? Yes. But in terms of commitment, there's still yes and no. Okay, so you know how things are with your person. They're still at crossroads with the commitment part. Okay, one card of advice for card of advice for With King of Pentacles, I believe right now you just need to stay focused on your finances, darling. Okay, not on your relationships, partnerships, but your situation, your financial situation, your family situation, your responsibility. If this connection is your topmost priority, then maybe you could. But if it's not, then darling, it's time to focus back on your responsibility. Okay, this is all I have for you for Cancer, and a happy birthday month to all of you. This is your reading. Okay, a full-fledged reading. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you're wanting a personal reading with me, go to my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. And a happy birthday month. Best of luck.